Welcome to the YouTube channel PCMB Tutorials. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn class 9th chemistry chapter types of chemical reactions and energetics part 7. In this part we are going to learn more new things. Let us start. Distinction between metallic and electrolytic conduction. Metallic and electrolytic conduction. Metallic conduction occurs due to flow of electrons, whereas electrolytic conduction occurs due to movement of ions in solution or a fused electrolyte. Metallic conduction, no change in chemical properties of conductor takes place. In electrolytic conduction, it involves chemical reaction at the electrodes. Metallic conduction does not involve transfer of matter, whereas electrolytic conduction involves transfer of matter in the form of ions. Metallic conduction shows an increase in resistance as temperature increases. Electrolytic conduction shows a decrease in resistance as temperature is increased. Now, the branch of chemistry that deals with the relationship between chemical energy and electrical energy and how one form of energy is converted into other is called electrochemistry. The concept which deals with the study of the methods, principles, and reactions involved in bringing out chemical change by using electrical energy is called electrolysis. Humphrey Davy was the famous scientist who studied electrolysis in detail and brought the theory into light. He passed a large current through molten potassium carbonate and made pure potassium. In the same manner, he got pure sodium from molten sodium carbonate. The definition, if you want to know, it is electrolysis is a process by which a chemical substance in its fused state or in aqueous solution is decomposed by the passage of an electric current, resulting in the discharge of ions at the respective electrodes. There are some terms used in electrolysis like electrolyte, weak electrolytes, non-electrolyte, and electrodes. Electrolyte is a compound which in fused state or in aqueous solution allows the passage of an electric current and undergoes decomposition. Second is weak electrolytes. Weak electrolytes. The electrolytes which allow small amount of electricity to pass through them are known as weak electrolytes. They dissociate weak electrolytes they dissociate partially. As a result, the solution contains free ions and some partly ionized molecules. Example: weak acids, acetic acid, carbonic acid, formic acid, weak bases, ammonium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, copper hydroxide, salts is ammonium acetate, lead acetate. Third is third is non-electrolyte. This weak electrolyte was a part of it. Non-electrolyte, the chemical compound which does not conduct, the chemical compound which does not conduct electricity in any state is known as non-electrolyte. Third is ions. Electrically charged atoms or group of atoms are called ions. Fourth is electrodes. The poles or plates made up of metal or graphite through which electric current enters or leaves are called electrodes. Now question, why we observe the decrease in the size of electrodes? So the answer is electrodes which do not take part in electrolysis are called inert electrodes. For example, carbon electrodes just carry electrons to and form the electrolyte, and so they are inert electrodes. Some metal electrodes take part in electrolysis. These are called active electrodes. When we electrolyze CuSO4 solution using copper electrodes, the copper anode decomposes and forms copper ions which pass towards cathode and get deposited there. Remember that metals are always formed at cathode. Naturally, the cathode gets heavier and the anode loses mass. As the copper metal is converting into ions, thereby participating in the electrolysis, it is an active electrode. When the copper is replaced by platinum, we do not observe the decrease in the size of platinum. It indicates that platinum does not take part in the reaction, hence it is an inert electrode. Graphite is another common inert electrode. Now, the fifth one in this is electrolytic cell. The vessel consisting the electrodes and electrolytes in which electrolysis takes place is called an electrolytic cell. I hope you've understood till this. Next topic is Arrhenius theory of electrolytic dissociation or ionic theory. Mechanism of electrolysis, then dissociation of electrolytes, examples of electrolysis of some electrolytes, electrolysis of molten NaCl, electrolysis of lead bromide. I hope you've understood till this. The topics which I announced we are going to learn in part 8. I hope you've understood till this. Thank you for watching. Let us meet in part 8. Like this is the foundation of class 9th. We have covered the foundation of class 8th and 7th too. The links are given in the description. Please go and check through it. I hope you have understood till this. Thank you for watching.